What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And before we even go past this point, I want you to hit the subscribe button down below because we're coming with videos back to back to back. But for today's video, it's gonna be like a productive entrepreneur vlog. I bought this organizer for my little, I guess you could say, office area or my little workspace because it's getting a little junky, so I needed something to keep everything organized. But I'm gonna just take you guys along with me as I put this together and as I get everything over there organized. So stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and talk to you later. wanna get copyrighted. So life will be a breeze, like it's a go back, but it's not funny. Oh no, I tried to save the situation, then I end up misbehaving. Oh, hey now, yeah, I want and everything and now, Okay guys, so over here on this shelf we have all the products, and these boxes are lip glosses, and these are body shimmers in this one, and it's usually rose glow in there, but we sold out, so when we restock this Friday it'll be in there. And here we have body butters, and in here it'll be probably a new product, but until then it's gonna be empty. Right here we have labels and packaging supplies such as tape and tissue paper and the jewelry bags for the lip gloss. Here we have mica powders and lip gloss base. Here we have all types of oils, essential oils, coconut oil, avocado oil, almond oil, olive oil, anything you possibly need to make natural products. And over here we have fragrance oils. Up here we have powdery substances. Down here we have empty bottles, empty lip gloss tubes, empty lip scrub containers, and empty rose glow containers. And in this one we have shea butter, cocoa butter, and rose petals. In this one we have the priority boxes, and in this one we have the priority envelopes and the envelopes that we get from Amazon. So that's pretty much everything that we got organized. It looks so much better over here. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Click our link in the description below and shop. All the products that you see right now that are not in stock, they will be in stock on Friday, and be on the lookout for new products. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.